The size of the data count register of a DMA controller is 16 bits. The processor needs to transfer a file of 29,154 kilobytes from the disk to main memory. The memory is byte addressable. The minimum number of times the DMA controller needs to get the control of the system bus from the processor to transfer the file from the disk to main memory is dash. So this is a question coming from computer organization regarding DMA or direct memory access. If you don't know about DMA, please refer to the video lectures for DMA in the computer organization topic, and you can learn about that before answering the question here. So to roughly explain what DMA is a mode of performing input-output from the peripherals to the main memory without involving the processor in between. So here they haven't given us any details about the mode of operation of the DMA. So here we will be assuming that the DMA is operating in burst mode. So in burst mode, what happens is, for each byte of data transferred, we have a count register. Okay. So in count register, there will be a count of how many bytes of data is to be transferred, and after transferring each byte of data to the main memory, we will be increasing the count register by 1 or decreasing the count register by 1. So whatever is the size in count, let us say if count is showing 5, then we will be transferring 5 bytes from the peripheral to the main memory. Now here they have given us that the count register size is 16 bits, meaning the largest possible number that can be stored in the count register is 216, which means that in one round up to 216 bytes of data can be transferred, because after transferring each byte we will be reducing the value in count register by 1. Okay, so we can transfer 2 raised to 16 bytes in one round. So 216 bytes is nothing but 64 KB. So the size of the file which we needed to transfer was 29,154 KB, and in one round we can transfer up to a maximum of 64 KB only. So total number of rounds needed would be 29,154, that is the size of the file, divided by 64 KB, that is what data we can transfer in each round, that is 455.53. Now they are asking how many times we need the controller, the DMA controller needs control, right? So that should be an integer, so it should be the upper value of this, that is 456. That's the answer.